peculiar group of organisms which have something in common with stromatolites are lichens. They usually grow on rocks like granite or hard siliceous rocks, or they can grow on trees. Lichens are again, community of two kinds of life forms living together in symbiosis. The photosynthetic component of a lichen is a blue-green algae, or cyanobacteria. That's what gives the bluish-green color to lichens. The other component of a lichen is a fungi. Lichens are very primitive life forms, and there's some suggestion that they may have existed in the late Precambrian, may have existed way before most any other life form lived on the land areas of the Earth.
This green spongy-looking stuff all over the floor, these are lichens. They are kind of appropriate at this spot to have what are very, very primitive life forms. They're life forms composed of blue-green algae and fungi. Some of the blue-green algae is some of the very, very earliest life that has ever existed on the Earth. And it was blue-green algae that was thought before the Mariner probe to Mars that might be living on the surface of Mars. Mars might be covered with similar very primitive plants like you see growing here. So I think it's appropriate that these grow extensively in this Crooked Creek structure. They seem to like these impact sites. It reminds them of the early history of the Earth when the Earth was heavily bombarded by meteorites and crashing into, and blue-green algae just kind of has a mass memory of those days, early in the Earth's history, 4 billion years ago.